Welcome to episode base Learn Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I will show you how to download any Facebook video without software. Let's start. There is no software required, no work for public video bonus tips download in HD. We are first of all going to Facebook profile and choose to download this video. Now we can see how to download video. First of all, we are going Google, type download Facebook video, and click first link ftime.net. Now we choose a Facebook video we want to download, just video, and click three dot icon and copy video link. I'm going to this website and paste your video link and click download. Now we can see more option to download your video. Download video in normal quality, download video in HD quality, and more option force download HD, force download HD. Now we click, and now our download is continuing. Now you can see your download video is ready. We are ready to play, and click. Yeah, your video is playing. That's way to download your any Facebook video from this way. In this today's video, if you are helpful, please subscribe us. Thank you for watching. IP Service, like, comment, share, and subscribe.